Learn 10 smart English words for shopping at the market in just 3 minutes. Word 1, ripe. Meaning, fully grown and ready to be eaten. Example sentence, I only like to buy peaches when they are really ripe. Repeat after me, ripe. Word 2, in season. Meaning, available and at its best quality at a particular time of year. Example sentence, what kind of fruit is in season right now? Repeat after me, in season. Word 3, discount. Meaning, a reduction in the usual price of something. Example sentence, is there a student discount? Repeat after me, discount. Word 4, receipt. Meaning, a piece of paper that shows you have paid for something. Example sentence, could I have a receipt, please? Repeat after me, receipt. Word 5, fresh. Meaning, recently made, produced, or harvested, not canned or frozen. Example sentence, do you have any fresh fish today? Repeat after me, fresh. Word 6, organic. Meaning, produced without the use of chemical fertilizers or pesticides. Example sentence, do you have any organic produce? Repeat after me, organic. Word 7, a dozen. Meaning, a group or set of 12. Example sentence, I'd like a dozen free-range eggs, please. Repeat after me, a dozen. Word 8, tender. Meaning, of meat easy to cut or chew. Example sentence, these ribs are so tender and delicious. Repeat after me, tender. Word 9, on sale. Meaning, available for a lower price than usual. Example sentence, this model is on sale until Friday. Repeat after me, on sale. Word 10, exchange. Meaning, to give something and receive something else in return. Example sentence, can I exchange this for a different size? Repeat after me, exchange. Quick recap, ripe, in season, discount, receipt, fresh, organic, a dozen, tender, on sale, exchange. Subscribe to Vocab Genius Academy for daily English.